How to set up ELEX WooCommerce USPS shipping plugin. Shipping orders manually takes time. Every order means switching between WooCommerce and USPS. The ELEX WooCommerce USPS shipping plugin brings your USPS shipping workflow into WooCommerce. WooCommerce manages your store, but it doesn't connect to USPS by default. The plugin connects WooCommerce with USPS API 3.0. It automates rates, labels, and tracking. Before you start, make sure you have WooCommerce, the ELEX plugin, and your USPS API 3.0 credentials. Customers see live USPS rates at checkout. After an order is placed, you can generate labels and track shipments from WooCommerce. Now let's configure the plugin step by step. Install and activate the ELEX WooCommerce USPS shipping plugin. Open the USPS settings from the WooCommerce shipping menu. Enable the plugin. Enter your shipping origin zip code. You can also enable debug mode when troubleshooting. Choose the USPS services you want to offer. Customers will only see the services you enable. You can display commercial or retail rates. You can also show estimated delivery dates at checkout. Choose a packaging method. Accurate package details help USPS calculate the correct shipping cost. The new weight-based advanced packaging feature automatically packages them according to your configured weight limit. To print USPS labels, enter your label generation credentials, including your CRID, MID, manifest MID, and account number. Before testing the integration, add a product to the cart. At checkout, the plugin retrieves live USPS shipping rates automatically. Once the order is placed, generate the shipping label directly from the WooCommerce order page. You can print the label from there itself. The tracking number is added to the order automatically, making it easy to keep customers informed. Your WooCommerce store is now connected to USPS. You can display live rates, print labels, and track shipments from one dashboard. Try out the plugin. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and follow us for more.